Hello friends. Today we will review the Motorola Edge 50 Pro. This is a flagship level smartphone making waves in the market with its amazing specifications and features. If you're looking for a phone with powerful performance, a stunning display, and advanced camera capabilities, then this video is for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let's talk about the phone's design and build quality. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro has a very premium design. Its dimensions are 161.2 by 72.4 by 8.2 millimeters, and it weighs only 186 grams, making it lightweight and handy. The front has Corning Gorilla Glass protection, while the back is made of either glass or silicone polymer eco leather. An aluminum frame gives the phone added durability. With an IP68 rating, the phone is resistant to dust and water. This phone is available in 4 stunning colors: Luxe Lavender, Black Beauty, Moonlight Pearl, and Vanilla Cream. Now let's discuss the display, which is a highlight of this phone. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro features a 6.7-inch OLED display that supports 1 billion colors. With a 144 Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support, the display's peak brightness goes up to 2000 nits. Sensors include an under-display fingerprint scanner and Smart Connect support. For performance, this phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, which is based on 4nm architecture. Paired with the Adreno 720 GPU, it's excellent for gaming and graphic-intensive tasks. The phone runs on Android 14, and Motorola guarantees 3 major Android upgrades, ensuring it's future-proof. This phone offers multiple storage options: the 128GB storage with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage with 8GB or 12GB RAM, 512GB storage with 12GB RAM. Unfortunately, there's no memory card slot, but thanks to UFS 2.2 storage technology, you get fast data transfer and app loading speeds. For camera lovers, this phone is a dream device. The triple camera setup includes a primary 50-megapixel sensor with an f1.4 aperture and OIS support, delivering excellent results in low-light photography. A 10-megapixel telephoto lens offers 3x optical zoom with OIS. A 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens provides a 120-degree field of view and comes with AF support. For video recording, the phone supports up to 4K at 30 FPS and 1080p at 120 FPS. It also includes HDR10 Plus and gyro EIS features. The selfie camera is equally impressive, with a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens that supports HDR and 4K recording. When it comes to connectivity, this phone includes every advanced feature. It has dual stereo speakers, though the 3.5mm audio jack is missing. With NFC support, the phone is fully loaded. The USB Type-C 3.11 port also supports DisplayPort 1.4. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro's battery is 4,500 mAh, which is decent. With 125-watt wired charging, the phone also supports 50 watts wireless charging and 10 watts reverse wireless charging. So, friends, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro is a flagship smartphone that offers a complete package with its camera and fast charging features. If you're planning to buy a high-end phone, this device should be on your list. Do share your thoughts, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.